Watch the rope. See the rope going up? They'll pull the rope up level. It's tied to one tree in the back of the yard over here, and they're pulling it up to where they're sawing. You can barely see the rope now, but he's got it tied to a branch in the top of the tree. So he'll cut that branch, and the rope will pull it, and it'll slide down the rope on a pulley, and then it'll go over here to a pile of other branches on the ground. It's absolutely ingenious how they do this.
Now you do have another person at the bottom of the tree that's really,
right,
I think, controlling the
yeah.
rope.
There's a guy at the bottom of the tree over here. See him there with the green hat on? What he's doing is he's pulling the tension on the rope that's up in the tree. And then this guy up here, you can see him wiggling around up there. He's doing the sawing in the tree. That's Donald up in the tree and James on the ground. So he's getting set up. You can just barely see the rope up there in the air. Okay, the saw's going. You'll see the branch start to fall. It's hooked to that rope, the guide rope, and it'll swing across on a pulley, and they'll put it right in that pile. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, stop sawing for a minute there.
It's a big one in the back. That's enough.
They're discussing something up there.
Are you still filming? The sandwich is all gone. No, we're all done. It's all done. All done. It's all gone.
Here it goes. Look at that. And then the guy on the ground will come over. He'll untie the rope and the pulley and give it back to the guy up in the tree. Here he comes. That's how it's done.